Updating the BIOS on your Asus TUF Gaming B650 Plus Wi-Fi motherboard is an important step if you want to improve system stability, fix compatibility issues, or add support for new hardware like the latest CPUs. The process may sound intimidating, but if you follow the correct steps, it is safe and straightforward. In this guide, I will walk you through everything you need to know to successfully update your BIOS. The first thing you should do is check your current BIOS version. To do this, restart your computer and press the Delete key or the F2 key during boot to enter the BIOS menu. Once inside, look for the BIOS version displayed on the main screen. Write it down, because you will need to compare it with the latest version available on the ASUS support website. Next, open your web browser and go to the official ASUS support page. Type in your motherboard model, which is TUF Gaming B650 Plus Wi-Fi. On the product page, go to the Drivers and Tools section, then choose BIOS and Firmware. Here, you will see a list of available BIOS versions. Download the latest one, unless the notes on the website say otherwise. The file will usually be compressed in a zip archive. Extract it and copy the BIOS file, which ends with the extension .cap, to a USB flash drive that has been formatted in FAT32. Now it's time to prepare your system. This part is very important. Make sure your computer is connected to a reliable power source. The power must not go out during the update, because if the system loses power while flashing the BIOS, the motherboard could become unbootable. If possible, use an uninterruptible power supply, or at least ensure that your power connection is stable. Also, avoid running other programs during this process. With the USB drive ready, restart your PC and enter the BIOS again. From the BIOS menu, go to the Tools section and look for the utility called Asus EZ-Flash 3. This is the built-in program that lets you update the BIOS safely. Select it, then choose the option to update via storage device. Browse to your USB drive and select the BIOS file you copied earlier. The system will verify the file and ask you to confirm. Once you start the update, do not interrupt the process. Your computer may restart several times and the screen may go black for a while. This is normal. Be patient and let the update finish. When it is complete, your system will automatically reboot. After the update, you may want to enter the BIOS again to check if the new version is displayed correctly. Sometimes the settings are reset to default values, so it's a good idea to reapply any custom settings you had before, such as enabling XMP for your memory, adjusting boot order, or setting up fan profiles. In summary, updating the BIOS of your Asus TUF Gaming B650 Plus Wi-Fi involves checking your current version, downloading the latest BIOS file from ASUS, copying it to a FAT32 USB drive, and then using the EZ-Flash 3 utility inside the BIOS to apply the update. But remember, the most critical rule is this: never lose power during the update. Keeping your system connected to a stable power source is the key to avoiding problems. Keeping your BIOS up to date ensures your system can take advantage of new features, security fixes, and hardware support. With this method, you'll have your motherboard running at its best, ready for both gaming and productivity.